Getting paid thousands of dollars straight into our PayPal account is something that most of us can really only dream about. But in today's video, we're going to be showing you how there are people from all around the globe who are already living this dream. Just take a look at this. $10, $20, $30, $40, up to $1,000 is how much you can get by using today's strategy. The best part is you won't even need any skills or prior experience to join in and do today's method. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. We're sure that most of you, if not all of you, have email accounts, and we're sure that you guys check it often. You know, like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, and a lot more other email websites. Anyway, like we mentioned earlier, you will need a PayPal account. So if you have a PayPal account, then that's good. But if you don't, then go ahead and open up paypal.com and proceed to sign up for a free account. And once you have an account, go ahead and open up google.com and then look up Yahoo in the search bar, and then we want you to click on the first search result. So if you have a Yahoo account, then you can receive a ton of emails that's going to make you money. If you have an Android gadget or an Apple gadget, you can download Yahoo on there as well, because it also comes in an app, which makes it very convenient. If you have a Yahoo account, then good, but if you don't, then you can sign up for a free account like so. Proceed with the registration process like you normally would. So you're going to input your first name, your last name, your email address, password, mobile number, birth date, gender, and then click on continue and finish up with the process. And then once you have a Yahoo account, you're going to set that aside, and then we're going to move on to the money making method. But if you're someone who doesn't want to use Yahoo, then you can also use gmail.com, which is our next emailing platform that you can use. So just open that up and then click on this to register, and again follow through with the registration process like any other registration process, and finish all that up. And then once you have either Google or Yahoo or both, it is time to find out what website is going to be making us our thousands of dollars. Now go on to paid-to-read-email.com, and as you can probably already tell by the website's name, this is where you're going to get paid to read email. So let's go through this website real quick before we do anything else. As you can see, earn cash with paid to read email. Would you like to get paid for reading emails online? Sounds easy? Well, it is. Receive daily paid emails in your inbox and get paid every time you confirm reading them. So how does it work? Okay, there are 3 simple steps for you to get paid for reading emails online. Step 1 is to sign up. Step 2, you're going to read emails. And step 3, you're going to get paid. It's that easy. So why join paid to read email? Well, you receive daily paid emails. There is quick payment processing within 24 hours. There's a low $15 payout limit. All you have to do is join and activate your account, plus earn a $3 sign-up bonus. You can take daily paid surveys and earn 50 cents to $1 every survey, and you can even refer your friends. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video.
Now, what is paid to read email? Okay, paid to read email is an online rewards community where you can earn money for your time and efforts by reading emails, taking surveys, completing offers, referring friends, and more. You can also choose to earn points that are redeemable for gift cards, guaranteed paid emails, and more. 100 points are worth $1 cash. Members have an option to convert their cash to points or their points to cash. Member cash commissions shall be paid through PayPal, so be sure to provide your valid PayPal email in your profile. Member points are redeemable for gift cards or guaranteed paid emails. GPE redemption is processed instantly, and number GPE increases automatically upon redemption. Payments are processed within 3 business days upon request. However, your first time payment is processed on a net 15 basis. This means that your first payment will be processed 15 days from the end of the month in which you requested payment. This waiting period is necessary in order to prevent online fraud. Member commissions must exceed $15 in order to receive payment. Commissions earned during any month less than $15 will be carried over into the following month.
Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue.
Members can see their payment history and the status of their payments anytime on their request payment page. So that's basically a rundown of this website. If you want to know more, you can visit the website yourself and read through everything, but now it's time to get to the sign up process. So to sign up, just input all the details being asked right here and then hit on sign up, and then you're going to be taken to here. So you're going to fill more things up, and once you've completed everything, hit on sign me up, and there you have it, your own personal account, and you will be notified that your $3 has been automatically credited right here, and now all you need is $12 more to go to cash it out. So now you have all of these options to earn money. There are cash surveys, cash offers, earn points, and paid emails. So you can do all of this and earn up to $1,000 every day. So make sure you try this out, and that is basically everything for today's video.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.